Today is September 2nd, 2024, Labor Day, and it's a fitting time to talk about advancements and treatments that are definitely worth noting. Let's dive into the exciting potential of platelet-rich plasma in aesthetic dermatology. Platelet-rich plasma is showing great promise in several key areas: skin rejuvenation, hair restoration, and wound healing. Dr. Joshua Asubiaro of Accellacare and Felix Avaha of Bioluminu conducted a systematic review and found consistent positive outcomes across these applications. For instance, platelet-rich plasma has been linked to enhanced collagen density and overall skin appearance, showcasing impressive skin rejuvenation results. In hair restoration, notably, treated areas reported mean increases of up to 27.7 hairs per centimeter square. Moreover, platelet-rich plasma's role in wound healing is notable, accelerating recovery across various types of ulcers. In fat grafting, it has been associated with better graft survival and integration. Despite its efficacy and high patient satisfaction, there's a call for standardized platelet-rich plasma preparation methods and treatment protocols to further solidify its use. So, whether you're considering ways to revitalize your skin, combat hair loss, or improve healing, platelet-rich plasma is a standout option to explore.